Toasty Cheez-It is in the house, folks. You love to see it. You love to see Toasty Cheez-It. I think we got all systems go here. We're about ready to come in and play some chess. I got my coffee up. Be about 1 minute, folks. What is going on, guys? It is Thursday. That means I play viewers 3-minute unrated. We're going to look at some of the games from the tournament from yesterday. I had one of the most amazing games ever played in my life, and we're going to look at that right now. I will turn my challenges on in a minute. And as soon as we look at this game, this most amazing game, dude, this is crazy what happened in this game. I don't know, maybe I can't make sense of it. New guy to the tournament. He played, what's the word here? I'm going to be going with just the facts, okay, guys? Try and stick to the facts. He played 92% accuracy. I played 90% accuracy. Okay, he had 2 great moves. I had 1. We each had 3 book moves. He played 19 best moves. I made a mere 15 best moves. He had 1 blunder. I had 0. But he had no inaccuracies, mistakes, or misses. I had 3 inaccuracies, 1 mistake. He played like an 1850. I played like a 1700. All right. This is the game. We'll see what Magnus has to say about this.
Your opponent developed the knight. Lots of openings could be coming.
I wish they would just say more important things. So we're rolling now. Pritchard, how you doing, brother? We're in. We're in. Okay, so he plays knight f3. So what do you do, guys? I mean, I don't get to play my Latvian gambit, so I just play knight f6. Right? You copy. Yeah. We know what happened here. I rewatched this game and did want to... Yeah. Toasty. Well, let me just... Like I said, I'm going to stick to just the facts. And maybe you guys could explain to me what in the world happened. Oh, by the way, I didn't want to go back here and show you guys a squiggler because the squiggler cam tells a lot. We're probably going to show this again later to verify. But all the way to here, we were perfectly even. Then my opponent made a mistake. And he dropped a piece. So I was winning. But look how slowly, evenly... he clawed his way back with no blunders. I made no blunders. He clawed his way all the way back to even. And then when we get to that spot in the game, I'm going to tell you what he said. It was in chat. It was in game chat. So it's not like I'm not the guy that like if you send me a text message, as long as it's not like, you know, something that authorities need to know about or someone else needs to know about, I won't. I treat communications as sacred, as an adult. I go, hey, look what my girlfriend texted me, and we can laugh at her. I don't do that, right? Well, first off, my girlfriend's nothing to laugh at. Otherwise, she wouldn't be my girlfriend. But yeah, these are things he typed in chat. But he plays d5, so I play g6. I'm going to play like a King's Indian. This is the first... I think we're out of the book now, because it's not a book move. It's not a book move. I am going to bring Stockfish up, but not because I'm going to what's the word? I'm not comparing anyone to Stockfish. I'm not. I just want to see, like for instance, the opening. The best move here for Grandmasters, they play E4, right? It's a lesson. It's a chess lesson for you. You play E4. Why? Because it is your job in the opening to claim your fair share of the center, develop your pieces effectively, and castle. That's what Yasser Saruman told me to my face to tell you. So listen to Yasser, guys. He knows. White has claimed his unfair share of the center. The classic opening, the knights to the squares where they go. The pawns. Now both bishops can come out and castle. White is good here. White is better here. I mean, it's early. We're developing. Bill Stevens, what's up? But White is better by about half a pawn. He should be. He should be. So then I played. Oh no, he played. So he played Bishop G5. I played H6. Is it a move? Yeah. I played the third. No. Oh, it's liking it now. It's bouncing back and forth. It's one of the top 3 moves. They're all about the same. H6. Then he plays this move, and I'm like, okay, that's a. By the way, I did not mention my opponent is rated 400. I'm rated 1730. So it's over 1,300 rating point difference, okay? Oli the Trolley! Oli the Trolley! Is your name Oli? Is it like Oliver? Dude, Oli the Trolley. Love it, bro. I love your name. Try not to troll here, though, if you can, okay? Don't get me, dude. I'm a sucker. I'm a sucker, Oli. People say stupid things in chat, and I read it, and I'm like, did they just trick me? Yeah. Yeah. Oli, cool. Very cool. Vodka. See, Oli the Trolley on Twitch, his name is that he's a troll. But then Vodka 970 on YouTube Vertical says something. This is a family show, so I'm not going to repeat what he said. I wouldn't call it a bannable offense quite yet. Unless some of the mods are bored, you want to go over there and ban them. But don't. I can't. Vodka, I can't control my mods, dude. It's out of control. They won't let me leave. I don't even want to stream anymore. My mods are so powerful. They're the most powerful mods in the industry. They got itchy trigger fingers, brother. Some of my mods know my girlfriend. And they might say, oh yeah, no, you don't talk about her like that, bro. Yeah. It's the internet, so I don't take it personal. Do you know what I'm saying? But just walk softly, okay? It's a chess stream. It's the people are watching with their kids. You didn't say a bad word. You said something stupid, something funny. It was kind of like a your mom thing. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So my opponent's rated 400. So when he takes here, I'm like, okay, good. I'm really playing a 400 player. Because what did we learn from Gotham chess? Don't give a bishop up for no reason. For a knight. If you do it for a reason that makes it worth it, that's okay. Otherwise, don't just trade bishops for knights. The only... Yeah, bishop f4 is the best move. Right? The only good thing about taking is I have to take back, and then it's his move again. But here's the problem. It was his move in this position. Well, not technically, because I'm threatening his bishop, and so if he comes back, now it's my move. It's the third best move, but it's not a good move. It's a bad move. You don't trade knights for bishops, guys. Don't do that. Takes, e3, d6. Okay, best move is bishop g7 or castles. Yeah, I didn't need to play d6. Why? You need to play d6 in the King's Indian when your opponent has a pawn on e4 and he's threatening to play e5. Right? You can see Bobby Fischer games like this. He castles. He might play c5. He might develop a knight. He might play anything. You don't have to play d6, but it's a very common thing in a King's Indian setup. You play d6. Bad move, Charlie. Bad move. It's not bad. Best mods on the internet, Phil Stevens. James says Mexico 1, South Africa 0. I hope that's an actual soccer score, James. You're actually new to chess. Oh, say, cool. Welcome, dude. Welcome. You found the right community, man. So I played d6. It's not a good move. You're from England. Welcome, Oli. Ollie the Trolley. Oli the Trolley. Okay, I see this move and I immediately want to win a piece. Castles. Knight bd7. And bang. Oh, no. Yeah, I didn't have to come back. I could have won the piece now, I think. No, I couldn't. Now I can. And again, I'm like, okay. It's okay to be rated 400. And by taking my knight on f6, and then by giving me a piece, I figure my opponent doesn't play very well. Well, as you're going to see, the only thing that I can logically determine from this game is that my opponent is grossly underrated. He dropped a pawn. You say, well, that's pretty bad. It is. But he played queen d3. It's not even on the list, guys. It's not even on the list. It attacks my rook, improves his queen, improve my knight. Ooh, it doesn't like this move at all. It says just bring the rook back. Oh, maybe we're going to play c5 or something? Because, I mean, this does open up my bishop, improve my knight, unclog, right? It doesn't like knight f... Oh, now it likes knight f6, but it's the second best move. They're tied. They're tied. Okay, so my move is okay. Stockfish man is all over the place sometimes. Here's the trick. Almost always, guys. When you have a heavy piece out and it gets attacked, the queen's out here and it gets attacked and there's a problem, sometimes it goes somewhere else. A lot of times, early, I'm talking early in the game, like right now, it just goes back where it belongs. It goes back to the pre-game lobby where it belongs. This rook does not belong in this square. Rooks belong in the back rank, connected, sniping down open files, right? So, rook e8. That's how I found the Stockfish best move. You could say, I could come here maybe and then double. Yeah, maybe. Is it even on the list? Yeah, second best move. Hey, I'm a Stockfish cheater, folks. Yeah, rook e7 is the second best move, but this is just better. It's bringing rook back. Now, I get to play bishop f5 with tempo. That's good. Yep, bishop f5. Okay, now queen doesn't have a lot of squares, right? If he pushes, I'm just going to take it. So the queen doesn't have a lot of squares, and if it comes to c3, my bishop is looking at it. That's bad. So he really has two moves, b3 or a3. And so he played queen a3. Good move. Fine, fine. Then I play knight e4, which is the second best move. Okay, now it's the best move. Stockfish is a little slow today. I see the best moves faster. Best mods on the internet ever. Charly's like a shopping cart. Oh, trolley. Ollie the trolley. I thought you were saying trolley, so you're not a troll. I love it. Why didn't you move your knight? Why didn't I move my knight when? Because in this position... Why didn't you move your knight? I don't know when you asked that. Trade. Why didn't you trade your knight? Oh, why did I take with the knight? Because the knight can't take. Now you can't take because... Oh, I should have just played knight takes... Is that what you're saying? The knight can't take. That would be quite the knight move, though. Knight takes bishop, folks. Only here at Charly Sardo Gaming. Oh, Macca, how you doing, man? Yeah, now there's a slight delay, so there's no now in chess streaming. You have to say, after he played a5, why didn't you play knight e4? Then I understand what you mean. But here, there, then, right here doesn't mean right here. It's like we're like, I don't even know what the delay is. But why didn't you move your knight? I don't know what it means because there was never a time. I mean, here I did move my knight. Stockfish said just bring the rook back, but I kind of used my rook as a little blockader for an extra move. I kind of liked it. Okay, bishop f5, queen a3, great move. I come in, I bring my knight in. Yeah, Stockfish takes a minute to look at it, then it likes it. Takes. c4. By the way, there's another game, the first game from yesterday. Oh my God, we're gonna look at that later. I'm gonna play you guys. I'm gonna play you guys. Calm down. C5. Is it even on the list? It's thinking. It's on the list. I'm going to let Stockfish grow up a little bit and get with the program. No, it's a fourth best move. It's not far off, though. It's not a bad move. I felt like it was a good move. C5 is opening up toward the rook. C5. Takes. Now El Centro's getting broken. I have the bishop pair. It's huge. Queen takes. rook over, queen takes, rook takes. Yeah. And we looked at the squiggler earlier, and we saw there with the, besides him blundering the piece, he had like no inaccuracies and no mistakes. So that's why we don't need to look at any, I'm only looking at my own moves. And what Stockfish thinks about them. Queen C7, is that good? It's not bad. Queen C7. Okay. Plays this move. Is my queen? Yeah, there's a pin there. So we trade, and then we offer trade of queens. Look at this. Horrifying, guys. Horrifying. But take the pawn. Yeah, you got to take that pawn. You got to take that pawn. You can't, that pawn lives, I die. Okay, now we're up a full bishop, but he has 2 pawns. Okay? Winning advantage, minus 2.25. Charly, dude, I was calling you Trolly. I'm so sorry, Ollie. Ollie the Trolley, it even rhymes good. Here, I'm like, where does my bishop go? If I come back, he's going to kick it and start rolling. If I come back here, same thing. I can't come to this square. I can't go to d5 because he pushes the pawn. And well, actually, I can. No, I can't. And I can't come to c6 because it hangs. I could come to this square, but then he just gets knight f4. Is that what I played? I think that's what I played. Yeah, then he gets knight f4, but my bishop then can... My bishop's a little goofy right now, guys. I come back. Now, if he pushes, I take the pawn. Now, if he pushes, I take with check. And these are all basically, like I said, I made a couple inaccuracies here. Very, very... He's slowly... Watch. What? Look, you guys can see the eval bar, right? See the eval bar? Over on the far side of the board, it's the black bar goes almost to the top. That means I'm winning. And then watch. It just slowly starts coming down because he's playing better moves than me. Now he's got to draw. Right? So these are just the facts. My 400 rated player, and I do teach workshops and stuff. In a minute, it's honey. I teach workshops and stuff to a lot of 400 rated players, and I've never seen one play like this. So like I said, the only reasonable explanation is he's much stronger than 400. He's so good that he can drop a piece in the opening and then outplay me, and then just outplay me, like Disguised Teriyaki could do. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. So it is in this position that he offered me a draw, and you can see, if you can see on your, if you're on a big screen, you could probably see it's all zeros, meaning any move is a draw for him. King F1, King E3, King G1. This is a draw. I can't win. I was going to try and win because I'm playing a 400 player, right? But it is in this position he offered me a draw, and I declined. And then he resigned. And I just don't understand it. Maybe he'll come in today and explain it. I'm not sure what happened. It's just crazy. It's just crazy. So that's what happened. That's the craziest game of my life. Where I win a piece in the opening. And I'm crushing. Watch the eval bar. It just... No, like, all my moves were way worse. Or they were worse. Not way worse, but they were clearly worse than a 400 for like many moves, and he got the draw and then resigned. So that's just a crazy thing. That's a crazy game that happened yesterday, folks. Let me go to my settings, and we are going to set social to be a little more social. Play some chess with the community. Social. Allow challenges. Everyone. Yeah, so there's a pinned comment. Send it. It's honey. Just look at the pinned comment. Challenge Rosewood Telly. 3-minute, no increment, unrated. And I'll click it. And I'll take it, brother. I'll take it. This could be you. You understand what I'm saying, though, Stephanie? Trade now. Yeah. I'll be looking for you, Tika. Send it. Play online. I am waiting. I am waiting and debating oh so long. I'm starving like Marvin for a Cool J song. Someone beat you to it, but that doesn't mean you won't get in, brother. You can get the next one. You just got to send it. You got to send it. This guy sent it, so he gets the game. It's the only way. You guys would, if I made it fair, you guys would hate this stream. I'd be sitting around waiting. You know what I'm saying? Oh, okay. Take. Okay. Got a bad move. Am I in trouble? This feels like a trap. This guy's rated 598. I got to tell you something about you, Mikatami? Dude, I suck. I can't read. I should stick to chess, but I'm no good at that either. That was one of the comments. I commented on a UFC fight, and the guy said, you should stick to chess, but I'd say you should stick to chess, but you're no good at that either. Dude, I'm telling you, man. Dude, there are some mean comments, and I freaking love them all. I could push again, and then. I kind of. Oh, it's a 3-minute game, huh? Let him have the pawn, guys. Dude, if I just freaking go nuts and start like making things hard on my opponent, I could go here. I could go here, bishop g5. I think we develop while pinning. Dude, this guy's a monster. He's coming at me in full spider monkey regalia. Dude, he castled long, bro. Okay. Dude, what was that? Father Marticus. Father Marticus, welcome, dude. Welcome, Father Marticus, to the Twitch community. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow. Oh, I think I had a better move. He's threatening stuff, guys. He's threatening stuff. Do we just... keep it out, folks. Keep it out. I think he's playing great. Good. That was really scary, guys. That was really scary. Oh my god, I gave stuff up, bro. Takatiks! Oh, dude, I wanted him to play queen takes. I want him to play queen takes, guys. No reason. Okay, now we have to develop. Ping. Because we don't want to be losing. Mock. Ing. Sing. You look wise, sir. Had to. Thank you, man. Dude, I'm doing the best I can. My opponent is beating me on the clock. It's too much. He got the forky in, guys. Does a knight escape? It does not. I think he had a better move, guys. I just did like, I put the tactic on the board, or else it gets the hose again. I put the tactic on the board, guys, and it came to fruition. Yeah, that's a good move, dude. Just defending, guys, like our great world champion. Okay. How does he get to his home, guys? He can't get to his home! He can't get to his home! Wow, I had 6.9 seconds. McCatamney. You played a great game, dude. Rated 598. Dude, oh my god, they're coming in like crazy. Hola. No 10 minute. 3 minute. 3 minute unrated, so you don't get the game. But Ravicant challenged me the correct time control. Maybe meant to push the draw button again, but accidentally hit the resign button. I don't know. Become an anti-social. Ravican. Make the move. Good game. Macca, thank you, dude. That was you. Good game. Hey. He's repeating the game from yesterday, guys. Maybe he'll give me a free piece. Okay, now I have to play a developing maneuver. This guy's 1363, guys, from the great country of India. Definitely the granite. Okay. Definitely control multiple square scenarii. Come with the tempo. Bring a rook. People don't like to trade queens, bro, but I do. You know why? Because attack king. Defending. Dude, he just defended like our great world champion. How do you beat him here, guys? You can't. Oh, here. Just improve the rook, folks. Rook improvement. I should write a self-help book for rooks. Rook improvement. Feeding Master David Bassett told us, take the freaking file. Take the 7th rank, bruh. It's a good manunu. It's a good manunu almost always. Like, if you're not going to lose material and you don't have anything else to do, improve your rook. Put it on 7th. Now we got the big stack, folks. The deep stack. You're a 2000 rapid player. Can I play with you? Of course. All you got to do is send me a challenge when my game is over. Hello, watching you every day. Haha, OMG. I saw you yesterday, brother. Thanks for being here. Okay. Wow. Locking me out of my life. This is a good maneuver. Do we then go like here? Now that kind of forces the trade. Because he's threatening something, and my rook is kind of locked out. You know what I'm saying? I'm feeling it. Ain't nobody got time for a locked out rook. Chase me to a better square, bro. He didn't want to. He didn't want to. Attack king. Attack king. Let's see if he defendings like our great world champion. Maccatamney. I tried because I care. Okay, Where's that knight going? Do we make holes? I think we do. Attack king. Yeah, it's a move, guys. My opponent made a move. I want to kick it so bad, but then that could be made of sad. Where does it go? It would go back to its home, to the pregame lobby where it belongs, but then my pawn would be hanging, guys. Do we want to send it back to the pre... Oh, no. Is it a blunder? I think I could contain or maintain control of the file. I can push and the knight protects. Did he trap his knight, guys? He might have trapped it. Because I told you he could get away here, right? So I immediately knew. That's just a whole board awareness kind of thing where you say like, well, he can't... If he only has one square to move back to, as soon as he takes that square away, I think we're okay. Now, it doesn't mean he's losing the knight. He can, like, counterattack my knight. But I still think... My knight, because... Yeah. Okay, He's falling apart, guys. He lost the thread! He lost the thread of the posizione, guys. It's Italian. Don't try and say it. You'll hurt yourself. This is probably a better move. No, I like this move. He's going after my pawnsters, guys. It's going to be on my knightster. It's okay. No, it's not okay. Yeah, I guess it is okay. Just come here. And then attack pawnsters. I feel like I need to do... Like, take this. He has this move, but doesn't do anything. Got the knight out. He was winning a piece, guys. He was winning a piece. Got him on time. Wow. I mean, okay, I was up 2 pieces. I could lose a piece and still win, right? Oh, Jedi Gamer, how you doing, brother? Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Ravican, I think I already played you, right? Keynos, 3-minute unrated. He gets a square, guys. He was the first one. I was looking for the guy, though. The guy said, my name is, something. He said his name. And I was looking for it. His name was like TikTok or something, right? What was his name? Do you guys remember him? Okay, just play, make maneuver. Sad game. What was so sad about it, brother? We played a game of chess. Dude. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do! Right? Now I almost kind of want to do this and then take. I screwed up. Yeah, he gets there. It's a maneuver. If I come to this square, he's going to have bishop. So I have to move somewhere. So we're going to come back. As promised in the brochure. As promised in the... I don't think I lost, guys. I don't think I lost. I need to learn how to play against this. This is very similar to my Latvian Gambit. Very similar. I love this guy. Kinos, you play this? I play a Latvian, but when they play Bishop C4 first, I play Knight C6 and then F5. Just like you, my friend. He comes at me like a spider monkey. Okay, we're just going to make squares, I guess. Bishop check. Go for it. D5's a move. Yeah, it's a move for sure. I feel like I want to come back here to maintain awareness and a security blanket. Tika taka. But I'll send after this. Like I said, you got to send it, and I'm going to look for you, brother. But I can't promise, because if I get 3 challenges and you're not one of them, I got to go. We got to go. Moving along. Next. And then. He played... Why did he do that? Oh, he comes back. Okay. I would have thought he might have taken with the... Oh, now he's on my knight, though. I can do this. I can sack a pawn for developmental scenario. Yeah, okay. Comes with tempo. Carnage, and tempage. Whoa! There's no way! Costel Sabao. Welcome to my stream, my friend. Okay, I should castle, right? No, we develop. Yeah, he's gonna go long. Should I go long to... Just castle, bro. Stop thinking about dumb stuff. I'm sick and tired of being sick and tired about dumb stuff. Right. Okay. I guess look at his king. I didn't see it! Go back to the pregame lobby where you belong. Get back in your side of the board. Nobody likes you. I guess we have to take with the rook. As much as I liked looking at his king with my rook. Pre-game lobby. Pre-game lobby, please, sir. I'll have you know. He's using his brain! Guys, he's using his brain and his mind. Okay. That doesn't work. Taking is probably really bad. He's on a square hair. Oh, I can do this though, right? No, because my queen is hanging. He's threatening. Oh, no, that's defended though. So what do I do? I got to get my queen defended. Here. Now I can do dumb stuff. Guys, do smart stuff before you... Oh my god, that was a horrible move. Wow, I guess... I can't take this? I can't take it. Okay. Well then, I guess... I got out, but not really. Because of that. Yeah, he got me on time. Dude, he was winning anyway. He was clearly better. Good game. Just castles. Bill Stevens, you know the answer. The answer is just... I'm looking for Taka Taka Taka. I got you. Taka 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 from the great country of Hong Kong. Love it. Dude. When I was a kid, I would get like a lot of toys that were made in your country, bro. It would literally say made in Hong Kong. You probably still mass produce a whole bunch of good stuff for me. Rated 1,000, guys. Chikataka, are you like a grandmaster in disguise? You are playing like a freaking grandmaster. I could have done the sack. I've been in this position against FIDE Master David Bassett. But what I don't understand is, how am I in this position against Tika Taka rated 1035? I had to memorize this, dude. I had to go deep. I had to go deep into the Nadorf book, the fat one. The Nun book. No, I don't have that book, but you guys know the one I'm talking about? You don't. Hi, Charlie. What's up? Sorry if I spelled that wrong. I just want to say hi. Dude, Cappy, how you doing, brother? Alec, welcome back, dude. Good to see you, man. Bishop E3 ain't that great, but you will move it. Did he move? He's not moving, guys. He's not making him a no. He goes back. Okay, that's definitely a move. Is it like Bishop D3, I think, is the maneuver. You can get a little spatula going on if he wants to. That'll be fine. He doesn't want it. Yeah, that's a great... Dude, what is this 1,000? What? You're underrated, right? How come you're so underrated? You're playing mainline Nadorf. Like Judith freaking Polgar over here. Bishop takes, knight takes. No. I'm coming over. It's a good square, man. Knight C5. It's very Nadorf. It's very Siciliano. This guy really is playing a great opening, dude. Did you memorize this? Tika Taka, you memorize this. How much time do you spend? Curious. Molto curioso. I'm molto curious. It's Italian. Don't try and say it yourself. You could hurt yourself. How's it going? Pedro, it's going great, dude. I mean, I'm in the fight of my life in a freaking mainline Nadorf. You memorized all Sicilian lines. No, you didn't. You did not. And if you think you did, you're a little bit mistaken. He's on it twice. Do I have to do... Oh, I could do this then, right? It's horrifying, guys. What's he doing to me? I'm just trying to play chess over here. Yeah, he takes. Good. We will then take. We will then capture. We will capture with the rapture. When I capture, feel the rapture. It's a grandmaster move. How does he see it? I have ideas, but I want to do ideas first. If that makes sense. That was a really good move, guys. This guy's playing good grandmaster style maneuvers. I want to blockade that. Okay. This might win something. It might lose something. Okay. And then. What do we do? Do we take it? I think I'm going to take it. No reason. I hung my queen. Wow. Wow. It's so bad. It's made it sad. Dude, you're the best 1100 player I've ever played, and I really mean that. I'm not even making any insinuations. I'm just saying you're underrated, which is good. It's like a blessing to be underrated, right? I guess we just got to start bringing pieces toward his king and hope something bad happens. Ah! Just take the next piece I hung. Just take it. Just take it. You know there's one hanging right now. All my pieces are hanging, guys. All my pieces are hanging. He's played good. Pretty good. Said, unpin your queen. I did. I tried, man. But I'm just completely and utterly busted right now. I have no moves. That's the crazy thing about this position is I have no moves. I have no moves. I want to move, but I have no moves. There are no moves available at Charly Sardo Gaming. Just get up on the stack, I guess? I don't freaking know. I mean, we got all our pieces on this file. I figure might as well put more there, right? That's got to be the move, guys. Maybe I can play rook up and rook over. I will. I promise. If you play knight back to... He's not listening, guys. He's just trying to beat me. He just took the advantage on El Clocco, guys. It's Italian. Don't try and say it. The problem is, knight, queen takes, rook takes. I get the queen. Yeah, but I gave up the world for it, guys. I gave up the entire world for it. This one doesn't do anything. I don't have any more threats. This is like, you see what I'm saying? He just plays queen takes. Watch. Well, I slipped. I resign. Dude, that was a really good game. We got to look at the review. I literally know nothing about chess, and I'm here to learn. Jake is awesome. Jake, if you type ! chess, it should give you the free affiliate link to chess.com. You can click my affiliate link, go to chess.com. You will get a free account, and then you can play chess for free on your phone. And there are beginner lessons there. Just go beginner. I want to learn how to move the pieces, and then learn how to move the pieces. Because if you know nothing about chess, it's awesome, but you need to learn the pieces. Yeah, I played 75% accuracy. My opponent played 83%. Tika Taka, you a little underrated. Yeah, no, I know I missed a lot of stuff. I played 75% accuracy. But I'm saying, you're a little bit underrated, aren't you? Toasty, cheese it! That was a good game, dude. Yeah, your rating should rise rapidly. I had bishop b6, I didn't see it. I don't know which bishop b6 you're talking about. Jake Makarov. Playing the old line, folks. This is the line I used to play in tournaments. This is the line I used to play in tournaments. I don't remember it all. I really don't. That's why I stopped playing it. Now I play the trappy lines, but I didn't want to play the trappy line against Tootsie Cheese It. Oh, man, this maneuver. Guys, he's rated 187. I'm attacking a knight. Yeah. It was a mistake, brother. You had to just save your knight. Yeah. I'm sorry, brother. Tootsie Cheese It is one of us. He is good friends with another one of us. Classic mouse slip. Oh, when I hung the rook? Yeah, but no, it was over. It was over. Now we have to, wow. We got to do like this. Because the stack is too much. Oh my God, this is a better move. Pushing, I think, was much better. Wow, and I'm going to do it now. Because of the undevelopment, he goes to, okay, then we bring a knight. We're up a piece, right? So we want to trade queens. But we want to develop too. There's that. So maybe that would give him a huge center. He'd be able to move his pawn from the wing to the center, and he would have his unfair share of the center. He would have 2 center pawns. I would have none. But now his knight is his pawn is blocking his in the way. I think I have this right. It's a little sideways scenario. Sorry, brother, but I got to play it. I got to play it. Oh, he could just play queen takes queen. He can't, guys. It's pinned. It's pinned. Guys, understand, Toasted Cheez It is rated 187 chess.com rating points. The most useless form of digital currency on the internet. But I will tell you this. He's an up-and-comer. He's a great supporter of a stream. Been studying Nader, but it's very hard to study all lines. It says you're a +1, but lose advantage after the queen blunder. Yeah, I know, because I got a lot of time into that opening. I just don't understand how you're 1100 and you know mainline Nadorf that deep. I almost just dropped my queen. Probably want to hold on to it. Could he get trapped? No. He can have the pawn. I just want to get castled, guys. I just want to get castelloed. This knight's going to be it's going to be a cool square for the knight, I think. Maybe even knight. No. Okay, castle. Let him bring the bishop. It'll be fine. I'll just play king h8. I want to play king h8 anyway. Yeah. If you're memorizing Nadorf lines, but it's not just the memorizing of the Nadorf lines. The other moves you played too were very good, dude. They were very good. They were made of a simulated wood grain finish. Can I do something? I'm doing this. I want to do something so bad, but I can't do something. I have to develop. Stop doing something and start developing your pieces and castling. Oh, what do you do? Brings a rook. It's a move. Yeah, he's defending stuff. Now I can do something. I think. Maybe. Attack king, guys. Attack Ding Loren, great world champion. There we go. He has no infiltration squares. Infiltration is futile. Yeah, but you're not 1100, right? That's all I'm saying is you're not 1100. Which is fine. Coming across underrated people is awesome. But yeah, that you played good. Are you young? Are you up and comer? I bet you are. Oh, he's threatening a check, guys. So I think we have to mate him now. Do we take the rook? Can we mate without? I think we can. I think this is mating. No, it might not be. It might not be mating. I could take the knight, though. When he comes over, what's the mating maneuver? I see it now. Took me a minute. Took me a minute, folks. Yeah. Take pawn. You had it right. Lily, thank you. Okay, I'm trying. Maplewood strat. Oh, no. I tried to get you Maplewood, but it freaking moved. I'm going to play Lustin. I'm looking for you, Maple. I'm looking for you, Maplewood. 1920. This guy's from the great country of Romania. I think this still works. Okay. Think I'm losing? Dude, I'm doing a lamster, guys. Let me do a sacrificial lamster, guys. One time. Just trying to play chess. Now, am I down a piece? No. I have easy developmental scenario right here, guys. Just develop. Okay, he's going to do stuff, but you can't worry about stuff. Okay. Uh-oh, little square right there. Didn't consider it, folks. We're going to have the better center. It's going to be unfair share. 1000% unfair share of center, of El Centro. Okay, he takes with check. Oh, I didn't see it. Oh, he defends it, guys. He defends it! That's a good maneuver. Should I maybe just move my king? Maybe. He's chasing me away, guys. He's chasing me away like I don't belong here. He's chasing me away like a creep. He's chasing me away like a weirdo, guys. Me being the weirdo, not him. Like I don't belong here. You guys don't get it. Okay, rook, I guess. So we're only down a full rook. I think I could just resign. Yeah. I think I could just resign. I'm going to resign out of respect for my opponent. Lustin, Alex, great game. Guys, resend it. I'm looking for Maplewood. He has priority if I can get him. Dude, I can't even challenge you, brother. Every time I click your name, another one pops up. I can beat you. POV for 339. Love it. Let's go. I love your name. I like the name. I like the wild card. Here. And, ooh, he plays this move. I feel like we saw this move the other day. I don't know if it was good. Takes. Yeah. Attack king. Is this main line? Is it the main line, guys? Somebody answer me! Can I castle? Knight takes rook check? I think I have to save the bishop. As much as I hate to. I might have just lost a pawn, but that's alright. We're going to win, so fight, fight, fight. He's rated 339, guys. For some reason, my chess is saying challenge limit reach. You know what, Jake? It's not the problem, but the reason why is because... The reason why is because a lot of people are challenging me, and I can only have 3 at one time. And there's so many that they're scrolling on top of each other, and I keep trying to get Maplewood Strat. He's one of my great supporters for many years, and I can't even challenge him because every time I make a move, every time I make a challenge, every time I go to click on his name, it disappears. Every time I go to click on his name, it disappears. Oh, did I have a better way to do that? No. Yeah, it gets replaced by the next one. They're scrolling. So I see a big X, and I go to click on it. And you know what happens? Not a lot. Can't castle, guys. I will take his knight. POV 339. Least obvious Radiohead reference. Least obvious. It was pretty obvious. Bill Stevens says, I'm a creep. I don't belong here. What the heck am I doing here? Right. Sometimes I think people sing that karaoke for one reason and one reason only. Because they want to say the word, guys. They want to say the word. We can't say it's a family show, guys. Yeah, no stretch, brother. Well played a few times. Oh, we played a few times. Cool, Jake. Yeah. Okay. That's a move, but how do I attack this and this at the same time? Or... I'm just going to come here. Ooh, the knight comes back. Is this better? I think this is it. Okay, now, where's the checkmate? I'm not a grandmaster, guys. Stop saying that. Okay. I guess start cutting off some squares. Hair. There's no way! I might have screwed up, guys. My 339 rated opponent is probably going to be okay. He did miss that tactic, though. Wow, okay, he missed that one, too. I think he had rook. Yeah. I think he had rook over. Oh, he could just go back. You guys are too strong. I'm telling you, you guys freak me out. The last guy, the 1100 player, totally freaking me out over here. Just do this one, and that way we can take the queen and have superior advantage. I mean, I'm down a rook right now. I'm down an exchange. Stop saying I'm down a rook. So he's going to have some material for the queen, guys. This is very dangerous. Oh my God, he saw it. This is so cheating. Like highlighting squares that your opponent's king cannot move to. Just take the pawn, guys. Just take the pawn. He saw it. He saw it. Oh my God. I had this, guys. I had the rook and I didn't take it. I wouldn't take it. Good game, dude. Dude, you play really good for 339. Not gonna lie. I think I got you. Hey, Maplewood Strat. Play well, my friend. Play well. Dude, good game. That tell me that 300 player wasn't good. He wasn't nearly as underrated as the 1100 from last game with the mainline Nadorf. That was a lot, guys. What am I doing here? I didn't look. Okay, you know what I'm going to do? How does it go? Good game, Radiohead. You guys know it. You guys know it! L to the D3 maneuver. No reason. Do we play F4? I want to play F4 so bad, but I know it's dumb. You're supposed to play C5, dude. If you're going to play a parlez-vous, oh, he's going for this. He's going for this. He doesn't want a parlez-vous, guys. Huh. Developing the queen. I might have maneuvers. There might be maneuvers. The queen's in the middle of the board, folks. You absolutely... Do we do it this way? No. We could kick and then... No. Let's just take a look at his king, guys. Just a little... What? I just want to look at his king, guys. I just want to tickle it. Here, kingy, 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 kingy. Dueling casters, taper mic. Okay, Now we continue the developmental scenario of putting the knight on the rim, guys. On the rim. Mr. Cooked, you played the craziest game I've ever played in my life. Yesterday was against you, brother. It's just because I wanted to take the pawn because it's pinned. That's the only reason. Sorry. Can we play? We can totally play. Justin Alex Chet said, okay, I'm Justin. After I play E4, E5, Knight C3, you should play Knight C6, and then you can play F5. And that variation is so annoying to face for me. Yeah, not just whether we... Okay, yeah. Okay, brings... Now I think I can come to this square. And there's a weird thing that's going to happen here, too. I don't know if I just take or not. I think I check first. I don't know. I don't belong here. Yeah. Well, so you're admitting that you did not... You did not play that game. It was your brother-in-law, Mr. Cooked. Is that what you're saying? It's fun, but it's not cool to do, and you know that is cheating, right? When they ban you on chess.com, it's not for using stockfish. It's not. It's got nothing to do with using stockfish. I mean, stockfish is one way to get banned for cheating. That's true. But you don't get banned for using stockfish. You get banned for outside assistance. You get banned for sharing accounts. Stuff like that. You get banned for ratings manipulation. Yeah, so that's as against terms of service as because you cheated with the human instead of cheating with stockfish. It's still cheating. Yeah, and it's not cool. So I checked out some of your content. I see you play games and stuff because I'm like, who's this freaking cheater? You know what I'm saying? And I knew you were a cheater, but I didn't say it. I just said this guy is severely underrated because he completely crushed me. You lost a piece. You lost a piece on your own power as a 400, right? And then you either toggled on stockfish or you had your brother-in-law sit down, who's 2650, which is insane, by the way. Like, almost no one's 2650. So if you have a brother that's 2650, like I don't have... I play chess, right? I don't have any friends that are 2650. I don't have any. FIDE Master David Bassett's not 2650. There are people that are 2650. But that right there is... You just happen to have a 2650 laying around this? You could, because you're watching the stream and stuff. But it's hard to... it's hard... I'm going to take Jimmy. It's hard to believe or trust anything after you cheat in the game. And it might be funny for you, but it wasn't funny for me. No, it wasn't funny for me. Sorry. I'll tell you one time on... I'm going to be honest. One time on April Fools, my community, a few of them were in on it. And one of them, I'm not going to say his name because I don't want him to get banned. He said, I'm going to cheat against Charly and beat him. And they're like, do it, man, do it. So I played this guy who was rated probably 800 in a rapid game. And I actually played. I'm shocked at how good I played. Like, it wasn't a bad game. I did pretty good. I lost. And I'm like, dude, you played great, man. What can we do? And then they told me, we laughed, and I told them, okay. First off, you got to understand, this guy's one of my mods. I FaceTimed him on his birthday. We're actual friends. Like, I know this guy. This is not like this is not like just some stranger. This is one of my friends. Adam Freeman, for anyone that... well, I shouldn't say that, right? But this was so many years ago, there's no way he can get banned for it. And I told him that was funny. I said, never do that again. If any of you ever... And you just got here. You don't even know me. You spend all my time in the tournament making me feel like I'm being crushed. It's not honest. It's not cool. Just so you know, you don't know enough about chess. And I get it. I really do. And I'm not even really mad at you. I'm not like, I could ban you on Twitch right now for doing that. I'm not going to. But I would just say like, yeah, dude, no, it's not cool. Not cool. He played them. He played all your games? You said he was 2600. He's been playing a while. How long you've been playing doesn't matter. There's no way he's been playing as long as me. And yeah, so how long someone's been playing doesn't matter. What? Oh yeah. I gotta move. I'm getting myself in trouble, guys. I'm getting myself in mucho problema. Time control problemi. told you. I dropped my queen. He played the games, all the games in the tourney. Dude, that is so rude. That is so bannable. The only reason I don't feel like I need to ban you is because you are so clueless. Come in here and just tell it like, yeah, it was kind of funny, right? You know who did that was, there was a guy, well, Dr. Lupo. He cheated for $25,000. But he was so clueless, he knew nothing about chess and thought no one would catch him, right? But there was a radio announcer guy who played Vishwanathan Anand, an exhibition game. Anand, you probably don't even know who Anand is, but he was a world champion. A great world champion. And this guy played Anand and cheated and beat the world champion and was like, hey, that was funny. He's like, of course I was using Stockfish. Like what? No, first off, he thought, because he didn't understand chess. So he thought people wouldn't instantly know. But once everyone knew, he's like, of course I couldn't beat him. I just did that because it was funny. And it's like, everyone's like, yeah, it's not funny. It's not funny to do that, you know? So, yeah. But you, I think, are redeemable because you can learn. You can learn. Maybe don't ever do that again. You played 2 games and then left. I didn't want to ruin anyone's time. We also made sure we lost or tied. Again, it's still not real. It's still cheating. It's still not real and it's still cheating. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, like it does affect the tournament because it affects. I had to work really hard in my game against a 400 player. It's like, you don't care, you won. I do care. I don't want to be cheated against. Do you understand what I'm saying? It does matter. It does matter. I guess this way? Oh. Hey! Dude, I hung my queen. Yeah. So like I said, I'm not like real mad or butthurt about it, but if I sound very serious, it's because I'm pretty passionate about chess. And it's not cool. And it was very rude to anyone else you had to play. Did you do that to Bozo Chess? I think you did that to Bozo Chess, huh? And you say that, but like I said, it's very, if someone says, hey, I cheated yesterday in the tournament, but it wasn't Stockfish, it was my sister's boyfriend who's 2,600, no one's going to believe that. I don't believe it. I'm sorry. Because you come in admitting that you cheated, but you're telling me how you cheated, I'm supposed to believe it? It's like, I don't know, dude. You know what I'm saying? Community, clubs. Yeah. I've never seen a more obvious example of cheating in my whole life. And when I reviewed the game at the beginning of the stream, you can watch it. I never called you a cheater. I called you grossly underrated. Where's the club events? I want to see who you played. I want to see you did that too. Because that's so rude. It is so rude. Bozo Chess won the tournament, but lost to number 3. Kirby lost to below normal. Below normal never lost. Let me come down here and find you, McKay. Let me find you, brother. Or not McKay, Mr. Cook. Mr. Cook. Yeah, you beat Filevo. You beat Filevo. You said you lost all your games. You didn't. You made a draw with Ratul. Yeah, so you did not. That's not true. You missed the first round, then you joined late. You got a first point bye. Then you took a draw against Ratul, who's a way better chess player than you. That was rude. You at 400 will not beat Ratul. I'll put money up. We can come meet in person, and Ratul will play you chess. You got no chance. But you made a draw. But you weren't cheating in that game. I don't understand. You said you made sure you lost. And then you beat Filevo, who's a very strong chess player. Filevo's a very strong chess player. And he didn't deserve it. He didn't deserve that. And then you wasted my time and all my energy being crushed or being outplayed, and I'm questioning my mind. I'm questioning my life choices. I'm like, then I start thinking you're cheating. That affects me. That's how Magnus lost to Hans, because Hans was in his head. Magnus is like, I didn't think I was gonna have to play this guy. Hans was not in that tournament when all the bead thing started. Hans was not in that tournament. Someone got kicked out of the tournament or couldn't make it. They were sick or something. Hans came in as a last-minute replacement. And Magnus is sitting there going, I'm the best chess player that ever lived. I'm way better than this guy. And what if he cheats? What if he cheats? I'm going to lose to this clown who's 100 points rated lower than me. 150 points probably back then, right? And it affected Magnus's mind. Well, when a 400 drops a piece on move 8, and then slowly just plays better chess than me for the next 30 moves, a 400 player? Nah. I think if you like chess, understand that you just made a mistake. And the more chess, the more invested you get. Maybe you pay cash for some lessons. You invest in some chess books. Maybe you drive an hour to a chess tournament and pay $100 to play, and then go home and drive 2 hours or an hour to get home and be depressed because you lost 3 real rating points, not chess.com rating points. And you do that for like 40 years, like I do, and then you'll understand why. It's not just, ha ha ha, I got you, dude. That's okay, man. I admit it. It was fun. It was funny. It wasn't funny. All right? How did he cheat? You cheated. He didn't cheat. He assisted you to cheat. Oh, you're talking Hans? Yeah, yeah. See, like I said, Mr. Cook, you know nothing about chess, right? You can't spell chess. Like, you're like, who's Hans? Is that the guy on TikTok? Hans Niemann, yes. He's the first American world champion. You don't know him? That's a meme. That's a meme. He's not the first American world champion. Dude, good game, whoever just beat me. Even, yeah, at 700, I can't give a queen to 700 player. I can't do that. Obviously, just some kid using an engine pretending to be, yeah, that is a little bit more close to it, Alec Posno. 1000%. 1000%. He's playing the same line as the last guy. But he's playing it way less. You have Levy's chess book. You do? Good for you, man. Good for you, Mr. Cook. Good game. Yeah, dude, good game, man. I'm sorry I dropped the queen. I know you probably would have rather had a little bit more of a challenge. But I dropped my queen. What do you do? I'm a creep. I don't belong here. Another YouTube user. My Twitch is like all of my platforms. Charly Sardo Gaming, spelt with a Y. This is how I hung my queen last time trying to get castled. I think we do this. Because he went this way, so let's just get spatula on the old K side, right? It's okay, guys. It's okay side. Because you hung your queen. No, he was not cheating at all, man. That was a real game. Even if he beat me, that doesn't mean he was cheating. Even if I didn't hang my queen and he won it. Like, again, you don't know anything about chess. So don't... I hope that wasn't an argument when you said that. Yeah. I hope that wasn't an argument like you were trying to argue something because you don't know anything about chess. You can't talk about chess because you don't know anything about it. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, did you finish your Levy book yet? Finish your Levy book. And don't be a cheater, and you'll be fine. I think definitely though your account. I can leave you in the stream, but you have to be banned from the tournament. You have to be. I can't make that decision. I can't be like, guys, he only cheated one time. It's okay. We're gonna let him play in the tournament. No, I can't do that. It's not fair to the other players. It's not fair to it's not fair to Ratul, who you wasted all this time and stole rating points from him. Okay, it was unrated. You still wasted all this time. I think Ratul got like 4th place in a tournament or something, right? 5th place or something, 4th place. He might have finished a half point ahead. He might have played better, but you know why he didn't play better? Because he just lost to a freaking 1400, to a 400. Poor guy. The poor guy drew a 400. You think that doesn't affect the rest of his life? And now that he's going to know that you cheated, it still will affect the rest of his life because he wasted time playing chess and got cheated. The pawn is coming, folks. There's nothing I can do about it. Oh, now I think we got to try and get rid of that knight. Yeah. If I can apologize to Ratul and get conversation. No, because we take chess relatively seriously. If I can't stop the queen. I think we have to go here. My opponent is doing better than me, but my opponent is 1690. Yeah. Yeah, no. You're banned from the chess chillers on chess.com 1000%. Even if I would forgive you, and it's my stream and it's my club and this is me, I would never make a decision like that and say, yeah, guys, a known admitted cheater cheated against our chillers in the tournament, and I'm the boss. I say it's okay, you can stay. If you don't like it, pound sand. Yeah, no. Can't do that. I like chess too much, and I respect my community too much to do that. I was crushed a couple of pawn moves ago, guys. I was crushed a couple of pawn moves ago! Okay, what do I do? I don't know how to break through here, guys. I don't know how to break through in a chessboard! Well, I came up with some plans. Ah! I did it again! I did it again! Probably shouldn't have done that. Got him on time. Wow. Dude, now that one I draw my queen and I won. That's not true. It's unrated. I Googled that I don't get banned. That's not true. You need to Google again. Hey, what animation stuff are you using? It looks really nice. One more Twitch user. This sounds like a Discord offer. Are you talking about in the game? One more Twitch user? Or is this going to be a Discord offer scam to sell artwork? Let's just cut right to it. Ban yourself. Or if you are you talking about like the game, like the chess pieces moving and stuff? You're talking about like the captures and stuff? What are you talking about? Yeah, it's just settings on chess.com. I mean, you go to like settings, all settings, and you go to like board and pieces. I also like to play the Bote's Gambit. Dude, I dropped 2 queens today. I'm pretty involved with chat though. Board and pieces, and then you can pick your boards, you can pick your pieces, presets. Yeah. There's little things too, like piece movement, the move method, drag pieces, special themes, win celebration, confetti, none. When I win, the confetti pops. Piece animation, you can set all that stuff, and it's just the way I've got mine set. If my chess.com, oh, I got some friend requests. Kinos, we are now friends on chess.com. Prince of Liu, we are now friends on chess.com. And Tika Taka, we are now friends on chess.com. Tika Taka completely crushed me. He's 1100. He played way freaking better than me. And I'm not making any insinuations. I think he's lower rated than me. I think he's higher rated than me. He's a better chess player than me by far in that game from what I got from him. And I accepted his friend request because I don't think he's a cheater. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. No. Chess.com bans unrated cheaters equally with rated cheaters. Yeah. You need to search that up. Yeah, there's settings, bro. There's settings. Ben Ray, I like to play the Botes game too. Hey, man, you want to play? Guys, what time is it? I have time. I have time to play. Let me grab my water. Let me grab my water, and I will begin taking more challenges. Wait! Mr. Hadamalik. And 4 combo. 2 in a row. We are now friends on chess.com. That means we take care of each other, and we help each other get better at chess. That's a freaking deal, right? Do I take you guys with me? Do you guys want to go to a coffee camp? Come with me to the coffee camp. Guys, we got time to play. But I'll tell you this. I got invited to dinner by a beautiful, young, and talented, sweet woman. It's like I'm old enough, I think, to where when I say young lady, it sounds creepy. She's younger than me, but she's pretty grown up. And she's really cool. 4 combo, my new friend. 3-minute unrated. 4 combo, get to your board. Get your board, 4 combo. This is the most fun stream I've watched in a while. This dude's energy is amazing. Dude, you know what, man? You're very kind. Yeah, you found us, dude. You found your community. I mean, dude. You should be involved in a lot of communities. For a combo! 3-minute unrated. Greater Lord Rukadaveta. Rukadaveta. What kind of name is that, Rukadaveta? I love the name, Rukadaveta. You should capitalize it, though. Is it your name, or do you not capitalize your names in your country? E4, E5, push E4, knight of 6, D4. $15.99 out of India. Plays C5. E5 is not the move. It's like E5 might be the move. Is it E5, D5 takes? Is it just castles? The thing I don't like about knight takes is D5. But then I think I check. And then I play rookie 1 on the knight. And then I think we can get stuff out of this. This seems like a move too. It really does. It really does. Oh my god, it's a bullet game and he's 1600. Doing this. I see it now. I remember the line. Oh, man. Thank you so much, dude. It really makes me feel good that you're having fun. That you found, yeah, we got a great community. I've been doing this for 5 years, full time. Full time, folks. C3 is the move. Either he takes and accepts a backward pawn, or he doesn't. Now he has a backward pawn, and we have a structural advantage, guys. Is it going to win? I don't freaking know, but I'm going to try. I'm going to give it a shot, folks. Give me more squares. Just slow him down, guys. Just slow him down. Just tell him, hey, buddy. If the knight wants to come, the bishop tucks. The bishop nip tucks. Then I think we... And then, can he play d5? No. So I think we might come to this... This square. He comes with a... Yeah, maybe this is better. Just come back. Just come back. F3 could be a maneuver. It could be. It might well be a maneuver. Bishop takes, knight d5 is probably the move. Okay. Okay, he forked me. Oh, wow. I guess we have to do this. And then... Oh, then bishop's protected. I didn't have to do that. But I can come here. We'll come here. Why do we do this to ourselves? Dude, this guy's a good player, man. And I wasted... He's up a minute because I wasted so much time. I wasted... Troppo tempissimo, guys. It's Italian. Don't try and say it. Don't try and say it. You're just going to embarrass yourself. Look at this move. Taking the filio, guys. Okay. Okay. Defending our great world champion. Oh my god, he wants me. He wants me so bad. It's driving me mad. It's driving me mad, folks. My coffee cam? Oh my god, you said coffee cam and I thought I literally was on the coffee cam. I gotta make room, guys. I gotta make room. There's a knight check. It doesn't work. This is attacked. His queen's attacked. He should take... Oh, he doesn't take. Then we take the bishop, right? I was attacking a piece, brother. Yeah, you had to play queen takes. Good game, dude. Very good game. Thank you. That was a good, honest chess game. It went back and forth. It was hard fought. Thank you for the game. What do we got over here in chat, man? Ben Ray likes to play the book test gambit. Guys, if you're watching on any platform, if you're watching on Facebook, please give me a like and follow the stream. Hit the follow button, guys, to get more of this, right? If you're watching on YouTube, you definitely hit the sub button. It's free. And you got a like button too. Hit the like button. It helps, guys. We don't get enough likes on YouTube. I don't. I'm asking for a like on YouTube. Hit it. If you're watching on Twitch, Twitch is growing like weeds, guys. I'm telling you, our concurrent number of viewers is not 2 or 3 anymore. It's 6, 8, 16. We're getting, streams getting bigger. We're growing. Community is growing. You know how you help that grow? Hit a like button. Hit a follow button. Get involved, guys. I'll ask you to get involved. 4 Combo, one of my newest friends, is back in the game. D4 Knight of 6. What's he doing? Huh. I thought he was gonna mess up the pre-move, guys. Here. Okay, and then, maybe, what do you do here? There's a lot of easy stuff to do. Just develop, but where to? Where to is the problem. It's not the problem, it's the question. Takes. Okay. Goes. Okay. E5. Here. Plays the bishop. He sees it. He sees it, folks. Oh, he's on my pawn, so let's bring the last piece. Bring the last amigo piece. It's a Lego piece, guys. Bricks and figs. Who saw bricks and figs, guys? You guys didn't see it. Put the knight on the best square on the board. I'm just gonna leave it there, guys. I'm just gonna leave it there. I'm not gonna move the knight. Now I gotta I gotta play F5 maybe, I think. Defend the knight, because the knight's gonna stay here. It's gonna be sacrifices and stuff, right? Definitely You saw it. Still playing F5. Still playing F5, guys. Do you guys even know that guy? Was his name Ben? The guy seems like a nice guy, but you know, he just seems like a nice guy who's just trying to help the guy get his Legos back. Mohammed, how you doing, man? How did I play? Dude, that was a great game. That was you, BJ Kaditz. You played a great game, right? How did I play? Like, that was back and forth, back and forth. Okay. Threatening. Threatening. Okay. And then... Oh, guys, I blew it! It's like I want to play this rook, but then this pawn falls. But I'm on the queen. Okay. And then... Defending! I defended. I defending. Oh, he has rook takes. I didn't see it. Brings the queen. Huh. Defending our great world champion, folks. Your queen has to go away. My rooks are too powerful. It has to go away. Tell your queen to go away and live to fight another day. Was he rated 1200? He's a new friend. It's unrated. I like totally... I could totally give him the draw. Is he winning? Yeah, he won material earlier, didn't he? Whoa, I didn't see that move. Yeah, dude. No, he's got me, guys. He's got me. I gotta resign. Good game, dude. I didn't see bishop takes bishop. I'm like, ooh, I might be getting some wood back, bro. I didn't get any wood back. Who do you think is the most underrated chess player? Someone who deserves more credit? Well, like, what are you talking about credit? You talking about like TikTok views? We're talking about, because we have a rating system. Do you mean ELO underrated? I just banned somebody who offered to get me, you know, and hooked up with someone with 1.5 million Twitch viewers. Like because some people, okay, like who's underrated? There are a lot of people you could say are overrated. Hikaru might be overrated because he's not very active in classical, and when he has played, he didn't do very well in the candidates, so he lost some rating points. But it's only one tournament. So if he played a bunch of tournaments, Hikaru's rating might come down. I'm not attacking Hikaru and saying he's overrated. I mean, I know nothing about chess compared to Hikaru. I met Hikaru. I flew to St. Louis to meet Hikaru. And I did. But he might be overrated. Someone who's... if you're talking about specifically rating, Fabiano is not playing very well right now. And he's like, what, 4th or 5th on the list. But that's his rating. That's how he's playing right now. But I think, like, Magnus is clearly the best. And I think Fabiano is probably... Fabiano and Hikaru are, like, probably tied for 2nd and 3rd. As far as the best chess players go. But... rating is rating, you know? The rating does it. I'm sorry, Maroon, no 10-minute games. Sangi, I think I remember Sangi. We're going to get Sangi coming in at 15:31. I'm going to try not to drop my queen, folks. Yeah, you would say Prague is underrated in Argent too. Yeah, but Prague and Argent are both totally at the top of the world right now, ish, right? They're coming up. They're coming up. They're doing it. This knight is weird, guys. I'm gonna like lose my queen because of this knight because it's on a weird square. This knight is on a weird... They're both on weird squares. What? How do they get on these weird squares? Then I could come in here, but it doesn't do anything. Do we keep it out anyway? No, we just develop our pieces. We DNC, folks. Yeah. Now he just like undefending stuff. Okay. And then. It's a move. It's a move. Is my queen getting trapped if I don't trade? How about we don't lose on time? But I kind of want to come here. No, it doesn't work. Get over it. Get over it. Bring a rook maybe and push a pawn. I don't know. I should have just... It's a blitz game. There we go. Get a little spatula. He's breaking and entering, guys. He's breaking and entering. Wow. Yeah, I guess we just give it up. The knight comes with very little kick drum potential. Is he threatening something? Is there a threat here? Pre-game lobby. Go back to the pre-game lobby from where you once came! He's way up on the clock, guys. I'm being crushed. Okay. This is how you get Arabian Night mated. I just looked at his rating. If there's a mate here, then he got me. What? There's no way! There's no way! It burns like fire! Fakes there. I had to count, guys. I had to count! You gotta pick one or the other. Can I do it, guys? Can I do it? Come on! I blew it. I blew it. I got in a weird spot where I didn't know what to do. I know how to do that, but he went to this. It was weird. It was weird. It tells you I need work on that, guys. I could do that against Stockfish like all night long. Rosewood, please play with me. The way there's a pinned comment that says to play me. I guess I'm an old grumpy man, so I guess I should go and be old and grumpy and just say in the comment, in the pinned comment, don't ask me to play me in chat. But it says to play me. It tells you how to play me. Saying please doesn't help. You got to send me a challenge. Right now there's 3 guys up. And I'm trying to play someone who hasn't played very much or at all. Voren Mohal, I don't think I've played him yet. Yeah, so saying please in chat. Thank you. You're being very polite by saying please, but I don't look at chat and look at the best comment. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Follower goal met. No, the way we do it is you send me a challenge and I play you. You send it, brother. Wow, I'll do that. Ah! Wow. Okay, cool. Okay, and then push, I guess. Okay, and then takes. I don't know if that was the best move. I can take this, and I think I'm supposed to. I don't know. That was a move too, but I think I want to come here anyway, right? So we're just gonna do this, hit the queen, keep him out. It all works, guys. Hit the pawn. Hit the queen again. Okay, he saw it, guys. He's sharp. This guy's sharp. He's on the ball. Now we have a queen that is not developed. I mean, a bunch of rooks that aren't developed. We're up material. We got to bring pieces. There we go. There we go. We go here. Yeah. I'm going to take this next move. I think it's okay. He wants to come here and threaten stuff. I'm going to come to this. Do I have to keep him out? What do you do? Oh, here. That's the maneuver, guys. Now the rook comes in, the pawns win. And I got enough time this game. Dude, this guy's... Oh, he's 862. 862. Dude, you're playing such a good game. I'm telling you, there's a thing as giving... such as giving your opponent too much respect. Like, you can really give your opponent too much respect. There was I went and played a tournament, a local tournament. When I first moved to Texas. It was at the high school. I made a lot of great friends there, met a lot of good kids, met a lot of good teachers that were our daughters, me and one of the teachers, our daughters were like best friends. And so like every once in a while me and him might send a message or something. You coming to chess club tonight? And so they would tease us about, like, bromance. It's like, it wasn't even a bromance. He's just a nice guy. He was just a good dude. And, but anyway, the first tournament I played there, I lost one game and drew a game or something out of 5 or 6 games. Because I was giving my opponents way too much credit. And then I just kind of got mad at myself and said, dude, that's stalemate! Hey, good game. So I said, what are you doing? You're way better than all these people. And I really am. No offense. So then I went back and played these tournaments continuously. I probably played 6 after that. And I won every tournament and never lost another game in like 32 games. I never lost another game. And the last game I played there was a draw. And it was a draw against my friend. My name is Charlie. His name is Chuck. And it was literally searching for Bobby Fischer. We played like, because if we made a draw, then we would share first place, and I would give him the trophy. Right? We might split the money. And I said, I didn't say anything. We didn't prearrange the draw. Early on, move 6. I had a gig that night. I wanted to go home and take a nap before I went and played music till 2 in the morning. And I said, I offered him a draw. And he's like, no, let's play on a little bit. I said, okay. So we played another 5, 8 moves or something. No one made any mistakes. And then he said draw. I said draw. We called it peaceful. And I gave that draw because I wanted to leave. I'm already winning the tournament. I don't mind sharing it with a nice guy. He deserves to win sometimes too, right? But you can give your opponents too much credit. For instance, Eric Rosen, right? He plays pretty crazy chess. But if he's going to play Magnus, he might not play as crazy. Because he'll lose faster. You know, so Eric Rosen's playing Magnus. He's still going to play his style. But if he's playing someone like me, he can take more chances because I'm not going to punish him as much. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, so I mean, you should always just try and play the best move if you want to get better at chess. That's the fact. But if your goal is to win and win efficiently and stuff, you can give your opponent too much credit, and then you just keep making what you think is the best move, and it's not putting the pressure on the guy. And then all of a sudden you're in a drawn endgame. Dude, look at that. Does his king not look like it has squares? Does his king not look like it has squares? Guys, what did we learn from Gotham chess? We learned to ask, what does he want? And when my opponent pushes this pawn, what does he want? He wants to get rid of all of his available moves and make a stalemate. And by making a queen, my rook is cutting off the squares. My king and my pawns are cutting off the squares. And my bishop cuts off this my queen. It could have been a bishop too. Cuts off the final square. So you have to say, what does he want? And I should have, in these exact positions, I tell myself, where can his king move? Right? And I should look, if I queen, where can his king move? I had a minute on the clock. I should have said that. Does he have a move? Oh, he doesn't have a move. Okay. I could promote to a rook. Then he'd have a move. I could not promote at all. I could do this. Right? That's what I should have done. Atticus. I think I played most of you guys so far, or at least the challenges I'm seeing. We got friend requests. Atticus, E4, knight F6. Yeah, it's a move. Do I come to this square? I think I come to this square. I could do this G3. He could play bishop B2, F4 and start attacking this. I could play E5 and I'd re-attack. That doesn't do anything. Just come back. Give him the pawn storm. I... 'Cause Pick the knight. Put some pressure on El Centro. Dude, he's coming at me like a spider monkey. What do you do? What does one simply... One does not simply come at Charly Sardo Gaming like a spider monkey, Atticus. Atticus is one of us, guys. Yeah, I suffer from that. Worried about losing instead of enjoying learning from losing. What piece of advice you personally made you better player? Piece of advice. That's a maneuver I could take and then bishop take. I could also bring... This knight's not doing anything, right? Oh, he's threatening a sack, guys. He's threatening a sacrificial lamster. I'm going to hit the queen with check. Now, this sack doesn't mean so much because my queen is not part of it. He doesn't get the fork. Okay, then I think here... Do I play like F... No, I can't play F5. This square is covered right now. I think we win a piece. We just pretend nothing's happening here, guys. Isn't that crazy? It's just crazy talk. If he takes this way, I hide behind the umbrella. And I win a knight. If he takes this way, I take with the rook. And I win a knight. We have pressure here. We can always sack. We can immediately threaten mate once the stuff moves and the queen moves. The knight now can come back to F6 with great defensive superiority. The best piece of advice you personally made you a better chess player. One more Twitch user. You can't just... I mean, you can do whatever you want, but... Like, there are so many, what's the word? So many different things going on in chess to where you can't just say a few verbal thing and it made you better at chess. Wow. Okay. I'll tell you something a Chinese grandmaster said. He said... What do you do here? He said... Oh, the knight's covering it. So don't worry about it, right? Just take this one, maybe? If I get mated, I get mated. He said the only thing worse than studying chess is not studying chess. Ah, I'm getting mated! No. You didn't see it, Josh. I didn't see it either. Dude, I didn't see it either at first. How was the gig Tuesday? I missed the recap yesterday. Also, if you want a late stream challenge, let's do the late stream challenge right now because I do have to hop in the shower. But guys, you're going to love the challenge. If you've never seen the challenge, tell us what the challenge is, Bill Stevens. While you type that, I will tell you about the gig Tuesday. He's going to give me a cash challenge. There's no gambling. If I win a certain number of things, probably 1 minute chess, then I can win money for every game I win or something. He's going to type it out. Tuesday night, I host an open mic. Tuesday night was hopping. It was hopping. People came, said, sorry we missed the last couple of weeks. The weather was bad. Some good friends came. We had some nice surprise. One surprise friend came, an old hippie out of Austin. Really good, writes really good songs. He got up and killed it. And the bar was hopping. It was hopping. It was hopping all night, and it was hopping when I walked out of there. So it was a good night. I actually talked to the boss man. I'm like, is there like some kind of holiday weekend or spring break or something weird right now? He said, no. I said, just a good night. He said, yeah. I said, good. More of these. He said, yeah. Yeah. More of those. Okay, Bill Stevens says 5 games, $5 a win, bonus $2 for mate over the board. Okay, guys, these are the rules. I am going to show my challenges off because we're going to try and make some money here, and I'm going to tell you guys how it works. All settings. I'm going to play 5 games of 1 minute from the pool. If you want to play me, you can jump in the pool and start playing 1 minute, and if your rating is about mine, you might get to play me, but I can't do it against you guys. It has to be people my own chess.com rating. Allow challenges. I shut my challenges off. 5 games from the pool. For every time I win a game, I get $5 from Bill Stevens. If I physically checkmate my opponent on the board, I get a bonus $2. Okay? That's how this works. 1 minute. Custom challenge. It's rated. Okay. 1 minute. Okay, let me grab my water, guys. This takes 1 second. This is not a break. 1 second. All right. You guys ready? It's on chess.com. If you might be able to do this. If you don't have a chess.com, hopefully the bot will tell you how to make a chess.com on my free affiliate link. Type !chess for more information, folks. More information. You guys like more information, don't you? All right, let's go. This is it. Oh my God, I should have moved my phone. Dude, how cool was what just happened right there? Did you guys see what just happened right there? It was kind of funny. I set up a trap with a pin on the on the king, and then I set up the same trap with the pin on the queen. That was kind of funny. Blockading. Blockading, guys. Get back to the open file. Attack pawns. He's attacking stuff, so we should probably defend it. Wow. This could be trouble. Got him on time. I forgot I was playing for money. $5. No made it on the board. Oh, is that the rematch? That guy wanted a rematch. No, new 1 minute. We don't do rematches, guys. New 1 minute. There's one game. Okay, we got one win so far, guys. One win in the books. He had queen check. Okay, maybe check. And then bring the bishop out, looking at stuff. Oh, he wants all the pawns, guys. He wants all the pawns. That's all he thinks about. What up? Was that a piece? Good, it was a pawn. It was a pawn. It was a pawn. Okay, and then... I guess I should take some too, right? What do you do? He went there. Okay, here. Wow. He got me on time, dude. All I had to do was play Queen Takes Knight. Queen Takes Knight. Or, oh, I can't do this. Why? Does he have Rook Takes Bishop or something? Yeah, but either way, if I just had to move faster. Okay, that's 1-1. We got 3 more games, guys. 3 more chess.com games. Should have done it faster, guys. He had a pawn. He didn't see it, folks. He didn't see it! It's not there yet. There's a lot of weaknesses over there, guys. A lot of weaknesses over there. 2 pieces don't play. All my pieces play. He lets me bring it with tempo. Threatening mate. Knight back only. Knight could hit the... Wow. Hey! That's a win with a $2 bonus checkmate. Hey! Was that 3? Was that 3? I know it's not 5. Wow. I just dropped a pawn, guys. Okay, we gotta come back. Gotta come here. He's gonna take it for sure. Wow, he didn't take it. Now I kind of screwed myself, guys. Okay. Wow. He got me on time. The guy's smart. JG2Koo. Welcome, dude. Thank you for subbing on YouTube. YouTube, hit the sub button. Twitch, hit the follow button. Facebook, hit the like and follow, guys. You have likes on YouTube too, right, guys? Hit the likes. I'm taking friend requests before the last game. Varun Mahal, London S123, and Tell Out. We are now friends on chess.com. That means we take care of each other. We help each other get better at chess. I'm checking the history to be sure I'm on the last game, guys. They're all 1-minute games. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 2 wins, 1 checkmate. So far, we have $12, guys. If we win and checkmate in this game, we could make it a full $19. Let's go. Does he see it? He had it, but he didn't see it. He didn't play it. Okay, wow. Takes, I guess? Okay. Here. God! If I would have looked at the clock, if I would have looked at the clock like a few seconds earlier, I probably would have messed it up. You applied for chess.com stringer program, Baroon. Have you? Yes, I have. That's why if you go to my profile, you will see that's me on chess.com. Yep. I try to get into the big one with the, you know, I'm in the community streamers, which actually you have to apply for as well. But I would like to get into like the big one, the what to where I could be on the schedule. I stream chess 4 days a week. I used to stream it 7 days a week, but I still stream chess at least 4 days a week for like the last 5 years. Like I'm here. I got a show. They could put me in a schedule, and I'm here. You know what I'm saying? I should probably apply for it again and say like, dude, I stream on a schedule, bro. Like, give me a slot. Give me an hour here. Give me, you know, give me plays viewers on Thursdays. You know what I'm saying? William Stevens paid you $12 late stream challenge. Bill Stevens, thank you so much, dude, for the massive support. All you guys being here. Yeah, I suffer from that. Okay, yeah. Yeah, three. No, Father Marticus. No, I only do three minutes. Sick mate in the last game, homie. I'm 420 Elo. Oh, that was you. That was you, JG. Was that you? Looking. Oh, that was earlier. That was earlier. We played earlier in the 3-minute game or something. I didn't look at any of my opponents' names. I'm saying can't send challenge. Yeah. Right now, I'm wrapping it up. Guys, I stream chess Monday through Thursday. On Mondays, we do 1 minute. I play 1 minute unrated against you guys. Tuesdays is kind of a floater day. Sometimes we call it Tactics Tuesday usually. And then Wednesday, we have a weekly tournament, 10 minutes with a 5-second increment. We've been doing that once a week for the last 60 weeks. And Thursday, I play you guys 3-minute unrated. So thank you guys so much for being here. And be sure and hit the subscribe button on YouTube. Be sure and hit the follow button on Twitch. Follow and like on Facebook. Say hello on the way out, Facebook. It helps. It helps. You say like, man, okay, if it helps Charlie, say love you, man. It makes me feel better too, right? If you say love you, man, you can say whatever you want. Yeah, I'm also a community streamer. I'm waiting for the streamer tag. Cool. Can you please send me, please, one more game? I'll give you a good game. Oh, no, there's no doubt you'll give me a good game. It's not about that, guys. It's not. Thank you guys so much. I mean, I would love to play you again. We'll play. But right now, I told my date I would be ready at 6, which told me I need to finish my stream at 5. I love freaking Thursdays, man. I love playing 3-minute against you guys. And then Bill Stevens gave me the challenge. Bill Stevens, thank you so much for the cash challenge. $12. Thank you for supporting the stream. And yeah, man, if you guys like chess, hit the like, follow, comment, subscribe button. And gaming tonight, we're playing Elden Ring tonight, guys. Greatest game ever. I played Red Dead Redemption 2 last night for the first time. freaking loved it. I think I'm going to finish that game. It's kind of like a movie, and you just go in the movie. I mean, maybe there's going to be a puzzle or something. I had to shoot a few things around. It was pretty cool, man. It was pretty cool. Dude, I made... for those of you who weren't here last night, let me show you guys this. Let me show you the thumbnail from last night. Wait a minute. Let me show you the thumbnail from last night, guys. I'm so proud of it. Well, of course, I used AI to help me make it. That's the thumbnail from last night. Isn't that great? The thumbnail, folks. That is so Red Dead Redemption 2. I'm not doing that tonight. Tonight, I'm going to be playing Elden Ring, but I'm going to get back to that. Maybe do that tomorrow night, on Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday. You guys don't know that movie. Toasted Cheese It, love it. Yeah, dude, it was great, huh? Yeah. I'm so proud of that. It turned out good. All right, guys. I freaking love you guys, man. Thanks for being here, and I will see you. I gotta hop in the shower. I gotta find some clothes. I gotta get ready for... Guys, it's date night at Charly Sardo Gaming. I'll be back here at 8-ish for a beautiful Elden Ring stream, okay? And I just posted a new short today on my YouTube. Go on my YouTube, Charly Sardo Gaming. Check out the shorts. There's a lot of good chess shorts there, guys. A lot of good chess shorts. I'm out.